In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your Facebook Marketplace listing in more places such as groups. We'll go through a few simple steps to help you maximize your listing's visibility and potentially boost your reach and sales. Now let's dive right in and start by navigating to Facebook on your preferred browser or app. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you'll want to begin by accessing the settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This section of Facebook is where you can manage your personal account settings, privacy preferences, and even find tools related to your activity within the platform. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you'll be directed to a variety of options. Next, you want to select Activity Log. Think of your activity log as a diary where all your past interactions on Facebook are recorded. This tool is incredibly useful for managing your activities and posts. Within the activity log, you'll notice several categories listed on the side. Click on your Facebook activity. By selecting this, you'll filter all your activities, allowing you to narrow down specifically what you've done on the marketplace. Now here's where things get a bit more specific. Once you're in this section, you'll need to locate Facebook Marketplace. This is where all your buying or selling activities related to Marketplace are documented. This page is your hub for all Marketplace related interaction and will be where you'll make adjustments to your listings. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the three dots next to each of your Marketplace listings. This action will present you with different options, including editing or deleting your posts. The purpose of this step is to control where you want to list your items, ensuring that they're visible in various groups that you are part of or have access to. With the additional three dots options exposed, go ahead and select Delete. You might be wondering about removing your listing here, but don't worry. This step is all part of refining your listing strategy. By removing it here, you're preparing to modify or relocate your listing. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Delete once more. This last step finalizes the removal, so ensure you want to proceed before confirming. While this may seem straightforward, it's an essential part of managing your marketplace presence effectively, enabling you to relist your items in the groups you desire. And there you have it, a streamlined process for listing your Facebook Marketplace items in more places and groups. I hope this guide helps you optimize your selling strategy and potentially increases your marketplace success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.